Namaskar. I'm Dr. Divya Agarwal and I'm Associate Professor at IIHMR Delhi. Today I am going to tell you about legacy of IIHMR. So IHMR has got 40 years of legacy. It has started its campus from Jaipur, and when they felt that there is an international flavor has to be brought into the academic domain, they started their campus in Delhi itself by the name of International Institute of Health Management Research. So year on year, on receiving excellent feedback from the various industry and from the various recruiters, we thought of starting our specialization into health informatics or health information technology domain. Right, so we got the equivalence from PGDA program as MBA from AIU in year 2017, as we got NBA accredited in that particular year. Upon receiving the accreditation, we got the equivalence of our degree to MBA program. Now, we felt that if we have to sustain into the higher education domain, we thought of reaching out to the highest accreditation body in India, that is NAC. And in year 2023, we got NAC accredited, and we are proud to share that we got A grade in the first cycle itself. As far as IHMR curriculum is concerned and the exposure is concerned, our students have been given multiple exposure, like we have a community outreach program where students regularly they visit the field practice area allotted by the government of NCT of Delhi, and they get hands-on exposure into the domain of public health. Second thing is, we have this from this year onward, we have started with academic immersion program, where we felt that students, apart from the academic learning, they should go to different hospitals and public health sites to get an hands-on experience about the realities of that particular domain. So that we have done it from, we have done a student exchange program where the students of IHMR Delhi has gone to Mahatma Gandhi University of Medical Sciences in Jaipur. So another set of students, they have gone to different public health sites like Unnao, Sangrur and Damoh in Madhya Pradesh. So they understood the ground realities and they understood how the health system works actually. So in a nutshell, I would like to say, if you come to IHMR Delhi, you will get a holistic development into your perspective towards the healthcare vertical and towards health and hospital management. Thank you.